Introductions of risk management. Okay, at first we need to know what is risk management process. Risk management process is actually as an systematic approach to identify, measuring, and controlling risks that can threaten assets and earning of oneself, a business, or the organizations. Why we need this? Why we need risk management process? It's actually to enable an organization to progress towards its goal and missions in the most direct, efficient, and also effective path. The objective of risk management it can be divided into two. First is pre-loss objective and also post-loss objective. Under pre-loss objective, there are three. First is reduce impact of loss, where in risk management we will suggest what are the methods to prevent or to reduce the risk. Number two is to reduce fear and worry, because as an organization, we know that we have an insurance coverage, so we don't have to worry if, let's say, that our factories are on fire or so on. And but number three is required by law. Required by law because some organizations or some factory there is a act that need to be followed as a missionary act, whereas the missions to be need to be maintained at least twice a year. Whereas for post-loss objective is when the risk has happened. Okay, first, it will to ensure the survival of the organization, because we know that with all the methods that been suggested, the organization might be survived if, let's say, the factory or the businesses facing any risk. Number two, to stability of the earnings of the company, because we don't have to stop the productions, and also we can reduce the impact of losses to organizations and also society, because of we know that when we are doing business there is a client for us. So when we don't stop our business, we don't stop our production, we will ensure that our business will cater what are the customers need. Okay, for this risk management process, there are five methods, five steps that need to be followed. The first one is identifying existing and potential risks. Identifying existing and potential risks is where the most tedious step that need to be followed. Then we move to evaluating potential risks. After that, number three, we need to examining the alternative risk management techniques, and followed by selecting and implementing risk management program, which is the most suitable methods that can be used. And last but not least, we need to review, evaluate, and also controlling the program. Now, in this micro credential, we will focusing on one factory or one businesses that can be used as example. It called Bahulu Panas Nuna and Companies. So all our discussion in this micro credential we referring to Bahulu Panas Nuna and Co as our example.